Hello everybody, it's Jen from Scrapping Posh, and I am here today with a mini album share, and this will be followed up with a tutorial on a separate video. And today I made this 4.5 by 8.5 album out of 6x6 paper pad, and I used the entire Cute Girl Crate Paper 6x6 paper pad. There is none left. These are all the scraps I have. I have most of the branding strips and 3 2x6 strips, and then a couple of 2x3s and 2x4 strips, and that's it. Everything else is used. So go through this for you real quick. I used some black thickers on the cover. I used a step pocket here and a candy dot, and then some enamel dots for interest here on this large black piece from the paper collection. And I used this ribbon from Joann's, and I used it also on the spine, and then on the back there's just a cute little place you could put like the date and stuff here. And then all the pages are the same. The front cover has a pocket in it and 2 tags, one large, one smaller. And this paper here is from Coordinations. And then each pocket also has one of these little booklets made from the cut aparts from the 6x6 paper pad. And then the pages are all the same. They both have 2 tags, one of the cut aparts, and then a large tag that pulls out from the top, and it's plain on the back. Okay, and then if you fold this open, each page, this is where the pages come together, the 6x6, which I cut to 4x6, and then the 2x4 down here at the bottom. And then these mats are 3 inches wide. And I used the Martha Stewart doily punch here. It looks like that. And each page is the same then. Just different patterns on it. For the punch, I used to punch these little things out here. It is a Stampin' Up! Punch. Oops. And it's punched through both sides of the paper. So this paper lends itself to girls, best friends, or sisters. I'm just going to leave that out. And these are nice little journaling spots. And if you like this book, then and you have lots of 6x6 paper pads like I do, or maybe you just have one and you just don't know what to do with it, like I said, just stay tuned for the tutorial. It'll probably be up here in the next couple days. And I hope to turn this in, this tutorial, and I'll probably have other tutorials up too for the design team call that I'm trying out for Country Craft Creations. So cross your fingers for me. And I hope I get on it. And if you hope I get on the design team too, you can give me a thumbs up, and I would appreciate a thumbs up and a comment and a follow or a subscribe. And that's my quick and simple 6x6 paper pad tutorial or share, and stay tuned for the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.